417 from your book. It says chickens that carry both alleles for rose comb and pea comb have walnut combs, whereas chickens that lack both these alleles have single combs. From the information about interactions between these two genes given in the chapter, determine the phenotypes and proportions expected from the following crosses. So I've kind of drawn this out a little bit for you. Um, so basically, if it's dominant, that's going to be a walnut. So I've got this little cheat sheet over here for you. So just going through here, this first one is going to be a walnut. As a matter of fact, this whole first row is going to be walnut. Hopefully you can see where I'm getting that because it's going to be a dominant crossed with recessive or dominant. And then this next row again is going to be all walnut. Okay, and then these first two are going to be walnut. But then these last two are going to be rose because you're going to have recessive peas on both of these ones, and then same thing on this bottom row. Okay. So on this one, you've just got 4 roses, and the rest are going to be walnuts. So that's going to be 1/4 rose and 3/4 walnut. All right. Okay, this is problem B. So going through here, we're going to have this whole top row is going to be walnut. And this whole next row is going to be walnut as well. And then this whole last row is going to be rose. Or excuse me, it's going to be pea. Yeah, because you see these last 2 rows, you got the recessive R on both of those, and with cross with the other recessive R, the dominant P's are going to take over. So that's going to be half walnut and half pea. Okay, and then this is part C. So just to make things a little bit easier, I put little lines under the small p's just because it's kind of hard to tell the difference. And all of these on the left here are small p's. Okay, so this is going to be walnut. This is going to be rose. This one's going to be walnut. This one's going to be rose. And then same thing on the next row. Walnut, rose, walnut, rose. And then you're going to have walnut, rose. This one's going to be pea. This one's going to be single. This one's going to be walnut, rose, pea, single. Okay, so on this one we've got 2 p's. So that's going to be the recessive R and the dominant P. We've got 2 singles, which is going to be recessive, recessive. And then we've got 6 roses and 6 walnuts from here. So we got 6 out of 16, or 3/4 walnut and rose. And you're going to have 2/16 P and 2/16 single. See if it gets to work. All right, and then we're on to D. So we're gonna have all the P's in here are recessive. Okay, so this whole first row is gonna be rose. This whole second row is gonna be rose. And then the rest of these are all gonna be recessive, recessive, which makes them singles. Single, single, single. Okay, so that's basically going to give you a 50-50 ratio of rows to single. Okay, and that is problem 417.